Hey everybody, just like the sign says, this May 31st will be your chance to win a brand new 2023 Jeep Wrangler from Payne Auto Group Valley-wide during our Memorial Day celebration sales event. And this is the Jeep right here. We have a new 2023 Jeep Wrangler, 2 liters worth of engine and power underneath the hood, 17-inch wheels all the way around, including on the back, that's right, matching spare. This is a Jeep Wrangler. It is trail rated triple black. From outside to the inside, premium cloth, Uconnect for all your apps. We've got all of our controls there for shifting, both two-wheel and four-wheel drive. Traditional gauges, removable top. Yes, this is the Jeep, just like it says right there. There's our full-size spare backing camera, and also we open up the rear glass. We have our second seat that can fold down, and also we have our topper right there to cover the removable top for storage purposes. So log on to payneautogroup.com, look up Memorial Day Jeep giveaway for this new 2023 Jeep Wrangler that you can win, drawing on May 31st, no purchase necessary. And don't forget, since we're an authorized Jeep store, if you want to upfit this Jeep, guess what? We can do that without voiding your factory warranty. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street team, brought to you by payneautogroup.com, where we have that Jeep you want to win this Memorial Day. Look at us regardless.